Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well and are safe. In today's video, we are going to listen to an incredible and a very thoughtful story. One of my friends, her name is Chaya and she is an awesome trainer and she has shared her experience with me. Her story has helped me to develop an insight in me. I'm quite certain that at the end of this story you will be motivated to alert yourself about your life also. So let me say thanks to my friend for sharing her wonderful experience and let's get started. So, I would like to request you all to just imagine that you are a part of this story and it is happening with you so that it will help us to correlate and connect with our life experiences. So now let's get started. Once upon a time, she was conducting a workshop and she walked around on a stage while teaching stress management principle to an auditorium filled with audience. These days, people are enduring from difficult life situations. They are more stressed than ever before. Hence, everyone among the audience was curious to understand about stress and how to manage it. Chaya has lectured about many stress management techniques, and in this experiment segment also she wanted to do something different and logical. She raised a glass of water and what she realized, audience were assumed that they would be asked the typical question, which is the glass half empty or half full? But to their surprise, Chaya with a gentle smile asked, "Can anyone in this audience tell me how heavy is this glass of water I am holding?" The students were surprised and shouted out answers ranging from 100 ml to 350 ml. Many even got it correct also. But wait. Wasn't this lecture about stress management? Yes. Audience were also more curious to know why trainer is asking about the weight of glass in the stress management training. Then she used her practical methods techniques. She suggested the auditorium of audience to hypothesize that they are actually holding the glass and instructed to be in that situation. Then she said, from my perspective, the absolute weight of this glass does not matter. It all depends on how long I hold it. If I hold it for a minute or two, it's fairly light. If I hold it for an hour straight, its weight might make my arms ache a little. But if I hold it for a day straight, my arm will likely cramp up and feel completely numb and paralyzed, forcing me to drop the glass to the floor. Then she started explaining from the psychological perspective. In each case, the weight of the glass doesn't change. It will be same. The longer I hold it, the heavier it feels to me. Which means, in point of fact, the weight of glass is actually not affecting me, but the duration of time I am holding the glass is more impactful. You got her point? Yes. All the students showed their agreement by nodding their heads. Then she continued explaining, your stress and worries in the life are very much like this glass of water. Think about them for a while and nothing happens. Think about them a bit longer and you begin to act a little. Think about them all the day, you will feel completely numb and paralyzed. You will be incapable of doing anything else until you drop them. Right? So guys, here is the end of this story and I know many of them must have gotten the moral of this story also. So what is the moral of this story? Right. It's important to remember to let go of your stresses and worries. No matter what happens during the day, as early as in the evening as you can, put all your burdens down. Don't carry them through the night and into the next day with you. If you still feel the weight of yesterday's stress, it's a strong sign that it's time to put the glass down. So guys, now tell me how the story was and what did you take from it? Speaking with you honestly, after listening this story, I have decided to inculcate the habit of 2 minutes exercise every morning and evening to let go all of my everyday worries and start every day with a new hope. I will definitely share with you all the psychological and spiritual techniques in the upcoming videos about how to manage your stress and how to make your life happy. So, this is it for today's motivational story. Hope you all liked it. I believe that this story must have alerted you also to act right now. So, what have you decided to do to keep your worries and stresses at a distance? Please let me know in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching it. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and your loved one. Goodbye.